What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be getting some much needed cleaning done around my apartment. I'm going to be really honest with you guys. I have not been keeping up with my everyday tasks. I usually will clean some area of my apartment every single day, whether that's 10-15 minutes, maybe washing some dishes, throwing in some laundry, folding it, putting things away. And that has not been the case lately. When I tell you guys work has been kicking my behind, it has been kicking my behind. And because of that, I really have not had the chance to keep up with my day-to-day stuff. And by the end of the day, I am just so tired and exhausted that I haven't even really done dishes and really putting them into the dishwasher like I had that scheduled routine. All of that stuff fell out of the water. So all of that stuff kind of is non-existent. So what we're going to have to do is spend some time and reset my entire apartment. I am trying to hit as many rooms as I possibly can. So today's video is definitely jam-packed with a ton of cleaning motivation for you guys, just to get you in the mood to tackle anything on your to-do list. Cleaning is not always fun, and sometimes you do need a partner. So put me up on your tablet, your phone, the TV, so we can clean along together. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get started.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You need me. He brings me flowers on a Tuesday. He gives me good love and something that I never thought existed. I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen is a king to be by her side.
So anytime I'm getting some cleaning done, doing a house reset, I always like to do a task which allows me to either throw the dishes into the dishwasher or throw something into the laundry. This way, that is going while I'm still able to tackle other things on my to-do list. So I figured we would start in the bedrooms. I really wanted to strip both of the beds, get those thrown into the wash, and then I also wanted to flip my mattress. It had been some time since I had done that. I typically will do that from season to season because you tend to sleep in the same spot on the mattress and then it creates some type of indent. So by switching it around, you kind of prevent all of that happening. And then I'm going to quickly remake my bed and then continue cleaning up my room.
I know what I need, ain't gonna lie. I know what I want, speaking my mind now. A queen needs a king to be by her side. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired of waiting. It's like we're stuck, you won't grow up, and I'm getting tired, I'm tired of waiting for you to make your move. He can love me better than you. He can love me better than you. On my mind's loving's on my mind. He can do me better, he can do me better. On my mind's everything I like. He can do me better, he can do me better than you. You love me better than you do, yeah. You love me better than you, love me better than you do. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. Words all around, and I'm dying to tell you.
So lately I have really been starting to think of how I want to update my bedroom. I feel as if it's just so bland and boring. When we first moved into this apartment, I spent so much time focusing on Riley's room and the main living room, and then we updated the kitchen a bit, and I feel as if to a certain extent I was holding off doing my bedroom because I truly do believe that we will purchased a home and I feel as if I was just holding out for that. It's like, why decorate and spend the money on updating this bedroom when I just feel as if we will be moving? But I just have to realize that this is where I'm at right now, and there's nothing wrong with taking the time to update and make this room feel like more like myself, if that makes sense. So I have just been searching all over the internet, trying to figure out what exactly it is that I want. What do I want this room to feel like? And I feel as if I'm starting to get closer to exactly what I want. So I'm really excited to share with you guys that process of just revamping this space.
I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Of course, in Riley's room, we're pretty much doing the same thing, tidying up some toys. I also stripped her bed. I will be throwing those sheets and blankets and all of the things into the wash as well. But not too much that really needs to be done in here. I feel as if for the most part, we have kept up with it pretty well. But I do just want to, maybe vacuum a little bit, tidy things up, put some clothes away, do all the things just to make the space look a lot neater.
Of your core, the lies are getting overused. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Now that we have all of the bedrooms tidied up, I'm gonna head over to the living room. I do have some laundry going, as you guys know, but I really wanna focus on the entryway. This is the first thing people see as soon as they walk into my apartment. And if it's a mess, it just instantly makes the entire room and space feel cluttered. So we are going to go through, clean off the entryway cabinets, take all of the bags that are just sitting in front of the door, put the shoes away, you know, do all of the things to straighten up.
We fall apart, piece by piece. That's how the little things get huge. Just keep on moving through the beat. Don't let them get the best of you. When you are under the weather, getting caught in the storm. Do you remember? I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby. Between concrete walls, there's a place for us where we could go, where we could be alone. Between city lights, we don't have to hide. I wanna go, do you wanna follow? There's something in the air, I can't explain it, but it's there. Ain't nobody gonna find us in our secret love affair. I don't wanna have to hide no more, it shouldn't be unfair. I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow? Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see?
The last thing that needs to be done in here is tidying up the pillows. And I have been thinking that I do want to go maybe a little bit more neutral. Thankfully, these are just covers with pillow inserts. So I'm thinking about just trying to find a cover that I can just switch out and not have to worry about purchasing all new pillows again. I think that's just a little bit too much. And plus, I have absolutely no place to even put anything. So trying to look for covers is always going to be the better route. It's actually the next day. I wasn't able to finish every single thing that I needed to get done. Today, we're really just going to be focusing on the living room and then also the kitchen.
Baby, do you wanna follow? Come with me, do you wanna follow? Baby, can't you see that? I wanna go, and I wanna know, do you wanna follow?
Once I was finished wiping down the table and all of the chairs, I decided to put the chairs, hang them up onto the table because I really wanted to make sure that I thoroughly vacuumed this rug and then also the living room as well. One of the things that I really focused on, and it took me some time to try and find, was a darker rug that goes in the dining area. I figured I wanted something that wasn't going to be too fluffy, something that was more durable, and also something that was darker in color, just because I knew this was going to be a space where Riley did crafts and painting, and we also ate. So God forbid if anything fell and stained the rug, you really wouldn't see it. And matter of fact, the other day she was actually painting and she ended up spilling a little bit of paint onto the rug, but you absolutely cannot see it at all. And that was the main goal when I was thinking about decorating this space.
The way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I know you wanna try, give me that space. I know you wanna find another reason. I know you wanna lie, making me stay. But let's talk. Are you at the avenue? I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way the way you make me grounded. Thinking about the way you used to hold me, like a stone in the water, singing down, down, down. I'm still falling for you. Forget what I said, just come on over. Forget what I said, just come on over. I don't need nobody else but me. It doesn't matter what you're gonna say. I just need time right now. I'm going alone tonight. I don't need nobody else but me. But I'm thinking about the way you.
Moving on over to the kitchen, the sink looked like it was overfilled, but I think it just was filled with larger items, so I decided that I was just going to hand wash everything. Plus, I wanted to get everything out of the sink so I could put the vase that had those beautiful roses in there, kind of let that soak a little bit before, cleaning it and then actually storing it away. Then I did also want to wipe down all of the countertops, do the regular stuff that you normally do in the kitchen. There were a couple of pans that were on the stove, but that had my lunch in it, and I was so hungry that I was just trying to move as quickly as possible so that I could just sit down, relax, enjoy some lunch in a clean and organized home. I feel as if that is honestly one of the best feelings possible, is when you're just sitting down and enjoying a clean space.